8 minus 2 times 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is just 6. And again, we have here 8 minus 2. So we can 6 times 6, which equals 30 cents. With this answer is not correct, because applying to the other operations, which is Pemdas, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here, when we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and these parentheses. In Pemdas, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to do this parenthesis, not this subtraction. Okay? And after this parentheses, we have to do this multiplication, and finally we have to do this subtraction. So first, this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6. So we have 8 minus 2 times 6. Now we have 1 subtraction and 1 multiplication. In Pemdas, multiplication comes before subtraction. So, in this system, we'll have to do this multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12. So we have 8 minus 12, which equals negative 4. That means our final answer to this problem is just negative 4.